In the mama wagwan. Wagwan girl. You good? Mother girl. I'm cutting picture. Wagwan in the night, yeah. Yay! Yes, I'm good. Hi, J bro. Wagwan in the night, yeah, J bro. I pack up some stuff. Pack up some stuff. Just do one unboxing video so I pick up the stuff there. Oh, not go on with. Okay, man. Don't so. Oh, Lord. No, 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 I'm going phone now. So I'm bored. So I'm for a bag for somebody one day. So the time at the time at the time at the time at time at people. The time is so hot. So then something I would know for my body. So I will go. And if I seasoning, I will also pepper it. I then just not good. Then just look pretty, but then not good. Season pan. If you buy this regular seasoning, normally that bad. When I see guys, I would have charged KK, sis, and chat with up yourself. I'm gonna get the next phone because you're not phone. I feel late already, you know. My God, I must have said, okay, KK always late. Oh, I'm not late for that. For that, bro. I want late for it. I want early for it. Because I don't know how many can wait. So. Guys, the time is extremely hot. The time is extremely hot, my friend. Winstone Chronicle, what's cooking? You know, so me not cook nothing tonight. I just prep me a prep. I'll cover some mutton. So now I look out for some curry mutton here. Hmm? I go clean up you know and season up. But you know my style at night this. Who normally they here with me know say at night time I come. Thanks for coming, Winstone. I appreciate it. Um Joseph I say. Joseph say. Hey Ina and J Brown. CCN, what a one. Josie said, Charles, happy blessed night and welcome, sis. Charles said, JB, I love CC, happy blessed night. Yeah, yeah. Inner beauty, blessed night, sis. I run you and Kay last night till you both end. I don't know if it make a difference. It must make a difference, J Brown. It must make a difference. It must make a difference. Winston say, KK blessing. Big up Winston. You say, Winston, your thing are gone, your thing shot. Your thing are gone. I love it as a good look. It's a good look. It's a good look. I love your stuff. I love how you just do it nice and easy. I love how you do it nice and easy. Nice and easy. 45 minutes and the thing come like say, but I still a watch. The thing come like me that still a watch after 45 minutes. It's a good look. I like it. KK and chat. How do you tell a guys? My tell us then. Do we have the time hot? Me just time. Yeah, see me put on my phone over here so I look for your phone. My God. CC, thank you. They were okay, you're just not early person. You're just not. You just came like mama. Yes, yes, Jerbon, it did. Thank you very much. Charles, Winston, I just ate some curry. Eh? Yeah, man. Curry, me I work with some requests, Have some visitor here. And then said I don't they want to dinner tomorrow. So I might start the night here when things kinda cool. But me I tell you, me not see no coolness of one right now. Me not see no coolness of one. So look must not come not live the way the time at I may have to have the fan around. I must hear the fan in the background, but wanna just manage me. Manage me guys, manage me. Alright? Just manage me. So wanna go out with everything good. Wanna go on nice Saturday. Yeah. What is here? I shall see center. What about my request? What is your request? I part what part they have you yourself part or part then? Oh sir up here so KK and chat like that. Thank you mama. Thank you. I appreciate it. Mm. I have some season when I buy. So I put them in the pan. I got market today and I tell her say me not get no lime, no lemon. I see one woman with two little lemon, I asked her, she said $300 a pound. Let me look on the lemon, then I know I not get no juice out of it. So I'm not bother with it. I know I not get no juice out of the lemon left. So I'm not bother with it at all. My request for fruit cake, you know what I say? Today me take out I have this one CCN. I have this one in the fridge for all long. And today me take it out. And I say like come me guess them there here. I come me guess them there here. I take it out of the fridge. And I want to taste if it still tastes good. But I can't eat it tonight. Okay? Look fresh here. Look fresh and nice. See I'm here. I can't taste it at night now, you know, me and the sweet now. No, me smell it. Wow, it smells nice same way. Look, look. You saw it fresh and nice? Fresh and nice. Christmas cake that. From Christmas that. Cut out one little piece. Watch your knife go down in the soft area. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Look at this. You see? Still have the moisture. Watch it. Still soft and nice. Look at that. But me know me can't go eat it now though. I can't go eat it now. Still moist and nice. So me go say, just a little toops. I go just put a little toops on the J and your nephew. Just a little tip. You understand? Him soak up back. You know, send it in the fridge. So probably somebody already clean wrap still. Like that. Oh, the kitchen smell nice. The kitchen smell nice. Ray and him nephew turn up in the kitchen here. See there? So I'm going to just wrap it up back and put it down. I just wrap it up back and put it down. Tomorrow if them want it, then can eat a piece. And so I go on the chat there. Stop farming. Hope Inspired start here on a Saturday. And you will be Hope Inspired for me, Winston. Thank you. I love to cook. Yeah, man, me enjoy it, me I tell you. And my one that KK, you want piece there, bro? It's strong, you know. I can taste it, you know. J-Broad, it's not yours. YCC, who is send a piece of me? You see it? Nice, J-Broad, because it's taken. Who take it? Not you. When say KK, you like me, I like to prep a day or two before. So the meat well seasoned. Yeah, man. I'm tonight, Saturday night, me always prep. Saturday night, for Sunday. Every Saturday night, as long as we feel all right, I am here. I make juice and I prep up. But I'm going to go TikTok tonight. Yes, I do YouTube. I get some, me get some whole heap of, I can call them a guava. Look on guava. You see the difference between foreign and Jamaica? Everything you have to buy a foreign. Look there. Look on guava. Everything you have to buy a foreign. Me get them and I just got the tree and just shake them. Shake the tree. Watch them. From guava. Guys, me I go just prep them up. More prepping video come, guys. I'm sister on a live, please. So I just prep up them guava. I'm now look after them tonight. Because I don't have no lemon, no lime. Right? So me basically not gonna do much tonight, you know, but me still have around 2 hours. I still have around 2 hours. Because I don't have no lemon and I don't have no lime. Probably I make little star fruit juice so I can use just the ginger. CCN, I watch your channel all the time. Love your content. It's unique. What? CCN, I guess star. I guess star. Winston, no one will say no CCN. I want the whole of it CC. But remember, me not fight for no cake. J. Brother, you not fight for nothing. Send me a piece of that cake. Winston, I love it. Say nice. People them love it. When time I go so bomb and sell. And when me fruits them done, people still want cake. My daughter I said, come next year. Next year. Not come next year, you get more cake. That's get done. Really, Winston, thank you. And that me I say you're a celebrity. You're a celebrity CCM. You see me I tell her? Your thing short. You know, Jerry Brown and Opie Fry can get all the here. Yes, I have been a long time subscriber. Okay. So you know, yesterday I went on your channel. I read Scratch the Flights over there, but I navigate myself. I navigate Luya to the premiere because my crash up in a near, it must be a 30 or something like that. Um, Red Senway. But I navigate Luya. But when I look, I subscribe to you. So I don't know if you have another name or something. I don't remember. I don't remember you at all. But when I check the subscribe to I realize I'm a subscriber already. I am back. Thanks, Charles. Thanks, my love. Thanks, sweetie. Oh, okay. I didn't know. Thank you. You see, up, you're big, you're large. Charles said, inner beauty. Uh, what's it? Tell her again, inner, Charles. Spot on. Yeah, man. So, me go. Come over here, so now, no? Now, see. That's about the fun, guys. Open us. That's about the fun. No, this is so open us. Because this thing. Winston, hello, says Charles. Hi, Charles. From Winston. Yeah, man. So, I go. When I do this now, I go watch up this and see you later. Them chop up already, you know, so I'm going to chop them up again. They just look for any little thing you want to take out. No, I go understand. Any little thing I want to take off of it, and you cut them off. Very nice. Very nice. And look how thing where you want to take off, you just take it off. So nice already. Very nice then they. Guys, not a visitor here now, so sometimes they help me. And children don't know there's something they keep, then put it anywhere. So let me check. Yes. Well, the poorest man, watch a few nights in front of me, and see. So you have to, at some time, see what I go on and I want to see. Hello, CCM says Charles, Winston, where you cook with it? Rice and peas, nado. Rice and peas and some veg. Nothing fancy, nothing too much. Winston, you see, because it now the place are hot, it's like I can't manage the whole for the place. In here very hot. The time really changed from the other day. So I know I take off from now on, guys. Then fat, too much fat, not good. I must make too much oil in my pot. And you know, I don't really like oil, I use too much oil either. I not even go video the content, because I don't know, so tomorrow I'm going to go and fast move. And then I have guests to make, go make breakfast. So, I not really do that. I not go video it. I think I have curry mutton for my channel already. Alright, this is like it good now. I need to wash, guys. There's some people say they don't wash it. Need to wash. I know wash it one time, I wash it 2 times, 3 times. And I have no lime, so I use some lime juice. Lime juice. This kind of big, like for mutton, like when my mutton too. Me so read in the comments, guys. Now come. Manage me. Manage me, oh. Me soon come. Yes, guys. So now watch up the news. Yeah, just some water. Alright, one more watching now. And I watch with some vinegar. Thank you, guys. The soup can read in the comments. Give me a minute. I put some vinegar on it now. You can say, alright, so this is it. Right? I'm telling myself, I love when you hand them, not handing them my food, don't it? You see, Winston too, look like he love it. So me I watch him on the video and it come like say I'm moving, me I watch. I inspire that my video would smooth like your own Winston. And now I tell no lie. Pray that one day my video is smooth like your own. Them thing them I love, fascinated by those stuff. So them was supposed to do a cookout on the river, but it never materialized. It never materialized at all. And I look disappointed, but yes, every disappointment is for good. So and I really say nothing. Alright, so we'll come back over here, so now. Come back right here, so let me try to check on us. Guys, I can't turn the camera upon me now because I don't know already. The kitchen is hot, so I am sweating. So I don't really want the camera on me. Right? You don't know my style already. This one I said to me now. What I come like it a malfunction. CCS said, our guest take it now. Winston CC and I watch your channel all the time. Oh, I'm missing watch it me that already. Send me a piece, KK. You're going to jam to make. No, I'm not make no jam. Me I know if you make it. My husband saying can make it, you know, it's a good idea. I might make him make it. Really, Winston, thank you. Jerry Brown, I hope it's for a time get all the kids. As so far up, my guy. Winston, bless up. Food look good over there. You can go on with yourself over there. Me, I tell you, true, Jerry Brown, no doubt. Jerry Brown, bless up yourself. Shout, I give me love. Pay attention to the meat and don't cut off your finger. I beg you. Winston, I went and looked at your channel. Your thumbnail are beautiful and your channel is doing well. Extremely well. Joseph, yes, K, in food really look delicious. Yum, yum. Me I tell her, in food bad. Me inspired to be like him one day. Thank you, Cecil. I'm trying to build it for a long term. I enjoy cooking and I love when people enjoy my food. May I tell you, I you see all them guys there, how them just come for them plate and eat up and go and Winston, no joke, your food really turn up. In food turn up Lord, Jero, turn up Lord. Alright. Alright, so we now make no rain in it today. We now go use no, we now go use no so you see it guys? This time I make turn out some more water. So I'm gonna go ahead and season it. Let me put on my gloves. I appreciate it, Joseph. I appreciate it, Joseph. You're welcome, my brother. Yeah, man. It's good when it is good when people enjoy. You do something and people enjoy it. It feels good. It feels good. Na 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 na. So good, so good. All right. Put the cake on one side. Here, please one over this side. So I obviously sometimes I don't know how to turn the camera. I have a problem with angling my camera. I have a problem with angling my camera. Alright, so I have some jerk season buy from when. I make my own jerk season already. But I buy this, so I'm gonna use some like long time I use it. I'm gonna have some blended season here so too. I'm gonna put some Gaia, garlic powder, you know my style, Gaia. Now put some hard purpose, Gaia hard purpose. And I'm not going to use any salt because especially the Gaias, they have in salt, right? And this now is my jerk seasoning. See there? You know, say, I mostly use jerk seasoning. Whenever I will hold it for different store them, right? You just use jerk seasoning on my meat and my blended season. That's right. Yep, we'll get there, just go, you know what I mean. Yeah, man, I do my thing, man. I love to see people where I do better than me, you know, because them inspire me to be better. You understand? I always want to be a chef, you know, Winston. I always want to be a chef, but guess what? Because I sweat a lot, I never venture into that area. Because I sweat a lot. You understand? I sweat a lot, I sweat a lot. And I always I say, I don't want to see a chef. I go to a restaurant and see a chef come out of the kitchen and the chef just a drop sweat. So me now go feel comfortable. So it's like, because of that, I just tell myself, say, you know, so I'm not going to take on that. I'm not going to take on it. But that's something I really love. I cook like a year time when me and my family get together and them something there. I can't cook big pot of rice though, but I can do everything else. All right, so let's go, guys. All right, so I'm putting some garlic powder. I'm putting some garlic all purpose. And I'm putting some regular jerk. And that's why you can't put too much, even though you want it, the thing to season up. You can't put too much of the powder season, because the powder season is salt, it has been salt, right? I'm not going to go in at this. I want to wipe off this because I want to contaminate it. That's, I'm going to put some of this jerk. Can't go in there. Too big. All right, so that good. From time to time, I make my own jerk seasoning. And this, only the day when time I make this, right? Make this ready, so this are done. Probably just one more use left in this. And it's done. And then now, you know, say, all me I go do, a curry, me a curry it, you know. I put a pack of curry on it, and I use the better pack curry. Hold on. So I buy the curry by, I prefer the smaller pack, so better pack curry. So I buy it by the bag like this. I use them one. I don't really like the big pack. I don't know why. I think I get the same pretty color from the big pack, like what I get from the small pack. So I just put in one pack. I always put in one pack and then two packs me I go use. So I put in one pack when me a season. I'm gonna burn one pack when time I go do this. So see the guys, I'm gonna just go in now and massage this. Massage it. Take your time and massage in the seasoning. Yes. Massage in the seasoning that you need, guys. Food for taste good. Food for have taste. I remember pepper in the seasoning and everything. So if you want more pepper, you can put more pepper, but me is not a pepper lover. If my husband wants pepper, or the guest want pepper, then we I have buckle pepper, then can use buckle pepper. But I have to cook for me too, so I'm not put too much pepper in there. Moderate amount. Yes, guys. Yeah, man. And you can taste your pot, you know, guys. You can taste your meat, you see how it tastes. This not taste bad at all. I taste the pepper on my tongue. So this well seasoning, I want no salt. It look alright to me. Alright to me. So see there? This is it. My curry mutton. Guys, oh look. A morning when you wake up. A morning when you wake up, guys, and you cook this, leave it for go to church and come back. I tell you. I tell you guys. Bad like I ass. I'm gonna just put it in a cover dish here now. No, you just have a hole in it for the fish full up. I just put it down in this cover dish right now. Yeah, just like this. Just like this. Just like this, guys. In there? Right this one. Food to look good and taste good. Then now, when I cook it down, then I put the Irish and the carrot and them things there in it. So I say, guys, yeah. So basically, I eat that. So I seasoning up on my mutton, you know. Eat that for my seasoning up on my mutton. I have peas already with the leftover from last week. And they put 1 pound of peas in there. The pig tail, the 2 peas. And never did not come back. What's up with this? What's up with this? I'm going to taste something. I'm going to take up the plate. Jesus. Yes, it's really now. The stomach will burn this, you know. Yes, massage it well. What to take a culinary? I want to take a culinary course. May I tell you why? I think so. I love it, but let me show you. Let me show you one little snaps. Snaps. I mean Winston. Let me tell you, say. Me I say, look here. Look. So me I talk about? I saw me I said. Yeah, I think they throw water for me. You see? Yeah, them something that me I talk about. That's why I can't to when I do my video, I can't to show my face in the video because I sweat a lot. But me I plan to put on AC in here, so yeah man. I plan to put on AC in here so me can able to, show my face. One step at a time. Yes, teacher. As much as I go on up there, sir? Yeah. We'll get there, yeah. Yeah, man. Yes, guys. So, when I get to this tonight, because we not have no, we not, let me get local recipe. So, we not have no, so we not have no lime and no lemon. I can't do much. We're gonna make some of this. But my stomach feel like it a burn. I just have to drink some water. Not to have my diaper finish. You know, my stomach a burn. So Jay, what are you going with? Your pepper for dinner already? In a beauty. What are you going with? Mm-hmm. Put that back in here. Greatest feeling. Look what I get again off of my tree, guys. One next source of this, I get off of my tree, you know. They say, I dey eat, burn up this synthetic, you know. Eat in our kitchen, burn it up. Look on this. Half of my tree, I get this again, you know. I'm here. Want to sleep. Oh, so you go to bed late last night, you know. You're not going to bed now, sweetie. Go and go sleep, man. Go and go sleep. Don't burn out yourself. Don't burn out yourself, my love. If you want to sleep, go on to bed. But you don't leave the meat out, you know, because my space then I fit for a big dish. Come on, go sleep, girl. Go sleep. But, yeah, but I forgot which part of up there. What else was this? On this. Oh, yes. I don't need this. No, I make it something else. Tomorrow I make it. Go sit down here now. What channel you got 1 hour yet? I saw me a move fast. I'm muted. I can't. My heart. My head a hurt me. I think say my beat to the atala and everything else. She said we can't miss me not gonna 1 hour yet. I chew me I chew me no make no juice. I chew me no have to cut pepper up no seasoning or something. What could I cost that? Hush, go and sit on the veranda. You see out of the veranda, I come like somebody have burned something. Where you want me to go sit down on the veranda? Music would all play out there. Oh, they could have cooler ones. Why you want me to go on the veranda? Why you want me to go on the veranda? Oh Jesus, love of my soul. To get cool breeze. The fan of the sun spin. I'm gonna stop, make it spin round. Come up on the veranda, but guess what? The veranda bulb blow. I buy one bulb, but my husband asleep, so I don't want to wake him up to put in a bulb. I mean, I want to climb up on the ladder. No, I want to climb on the ladder, the thing I go drop. For myself, a man, they wake up, them two finger here, cramp, especially the little one, cramp, from morning. My son sleepy, I'm not sleepy, I'm sleepy, you know, I'm just, the son beat me out. The son beat me out. And that have a problem. The sun mash me down. As I wash this morning, I don't have to go outside, but I got the clothes there by the sun. You have to get that the sun go take over the clothes them. I go Spanish Town, I go market, I go wholesale, and then we come back up and we come cook. You can't afford to drop. You know, me I say we can't afford to drop right now. Can't afford to drop. So we are cook for dinner tomorrow, Cece. Now you cook or you go me know J Brown gonna sleep, you know. J Brown must tired, oh God. Last night we know up over here till after 12. But I said this morning. You know, so me I gotta do better. Why we have to come live then late hours there? Me a dopey. Me a dopey. Why we have to come live late? And I burn out my people then. We know we see 7 o'clock and we say, alright, me I wait a little. Let me see 7. I say, alright, me I wait a little bit. When me look at the time at some minutes to 10 and me not do the all yet. So me have to run and do the all and then run and do. When we do the all, then we just run and do the thumbnail and then me come live. So me don't know when the time out so fast, but do me see 11 past 7. And I say, alright, me now go live till about say 9 o'clock. So I don't know say at night me work. I don't know if me work with your friend them. Your guest them. CCN, but at night I love work. I love, for a long time I love night, you know. When we used to, we live at town, and my father lives over here, St. Catherine, where side. Father live further down from me, not up this side. My mother used to say, because my father, we now reach my father till night. And when me I leave my father for go home, me nah leave my father till night. So me I reach home night. I don't know why me love night. And my boss always I said to me, say, Kenisha, you not afraid? Me say, no, I'm not afraid. And when we used to drive, go work, me not left work till 8 o'clock at night time. So when me I come over, me not have no other vehicle and up traffic to contend with. I am going to work. We have couple funeral. Well, so it's going to be a long day. I won't be cooking. Oh, couple funeral, my. That's sad. You're a night manager. Then say, they must say night owl. You know how much of this me drink already for evening? I don't know if me not drink about 5 or 6. But cook a one dumpling eat, 2 pieces of banana, and a piece of sweet potato. Because my belly full of water and juice. No, we love one juice me drink. Pure water. We wear the time out. And as you don't want water, you want. Me buy 1 case of water since evening. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 left in our case. 16 out of 24. I 8 gone out of the water already when I bring it since night. 8. My ear look nice. Thank you so much. But you want it fatter though. When you want, me think it's not a fat like all. You remember the one when me did have been it's fat? You like the one the more. You keep it very neat. Yeah man. What's it can ketchup? When you see me go and ketchup it, you know. Me not pull out it back again, you know. I'll me I go church tomorrow. Probably right straight neat up look like, you know, fix it up look neatish. And then me go work same way so me I go work with it from Monday to Friday. Me not trouble it. I go like when me I go I'll the scalp, go pull it out and I'll the scalp and stuff. But that me I talk about long time. And I really like I love when me ear now touch me ear. I can't bother. I say I want to set up in my kitchen, man. I want, you see like how people, you see how people that sit there in room and set up, then shop and set up. I say I want in my kitchen feel cool and comfortable. So I come in my kitchen, you know, man, to do my thing. Sometimes I have so much plans for the day, and because I did eat, I don't get to execute now. I buy the stuff then to make my different recipe. Them spoil because I not get the chance to do them because I dey eat in the kitchen. From where they may have some fish, I say me I go roast them in the fridge same way. Because when you turn on the oven in this place, yeah, dog me and your supper. It doesn't eat you. No. Not eat me. Mama, the painting is well done. Pick up your oven. Yeah, man. Your husband, him bad like yours. Bad like yours. Never work with you. In boss never dey vote. As in boss come so in boss calling. As the boss come, the boss calling. Can't do anything, man. I rate him. Tell him all the while say, all when paint up my blender. I tell him say, you know, say if I small the place, you go paint, you want to paint up the blender. I try your place, you paint, you just a freestyle. And it's too much of burning. If you drink a Andres, man, it's too much like it a fry. I don't know what I eat. My stomach feels so. Stomach feel like it a fry, like it the kind of fry. Not sure so. Andres. You don't have trolls again. I must have trolls when me depend when me depend restream. Me dey block some of them, you know, if you're going to my YouTube prison, the amount of them will block up in there. And when them go looking at my prison, it's about 10 of them locked up in my prison. Hush, baking soda has become my best friend at night when my stomach burn me. What you do? How you do that? How you use it? You just drink one oranges, hopefully. The oranges will help me still. Either it gonna make me it digest or it gonna make me bring up whatever inside of me where cause me to feel so. Why did you block? That's not for. Of course, me block them. And not me alone. Some of them are good at uno put them there. Welcome, guys. Please give the live a thumbs up. Please give the live a thumbs up, guys. Please give the live a thumbs up. You just tip a little in your hand. I eat it. You hear that? And I drink the Andrews because I'm gonna run out of Andrews, you know. I'm gonna run out of Andrews at all. If I'm by the Andrews there, right, it's upon the table and so make use of it now. Why the time now run fast in it today at and eat it, yes. And that tastes so bad when you want miss one man. I say be good for diabetes. Just use it and use it with what you call it? Use it with lemon and he said it drop the blood sugar. Why this how it tastes bad? It tastes bad, it tastes bad. It tastes bad. Man, I said, no, sir. You can't manage this. I can't manage this. Jesus, can I pray? So the double funeral we have tomorrow, are foreigners them are locals. A foreigner come out are locals. Hi, 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 hi. Locals. It not taste all bad. You will acquire the taste, man. No, say taste bad, man. You say something taste so. You like nothing taste bad and something taste so bad. It tastes so bad. So bad. Taste bad, man. The man said, if you take it and then check my blood sugar before and after. But I really see that drastic change. So whenever I back, I owe you so well relax. What I just, me think you can happen, you know. Me think you can happen. You're not tired, Jebron. Don't follow me now, me a night owl. Me a night owl. I saw me go to bed last night, and I wake up early this morning, I'm gonna wake up early. Tell me, say me, by the time I wake up early past Saturday, I if they got the nail tech. If I got my nail tech, me have to go from early like after 5 to go catch spot, early spot with me. Those are for a come back. Oh, when it's a full day like that, I usually buy lunch. Okay. Oh, so I buy lunch tomorrow. Yeah, me I do the mutton. Me now do no juice. Me now go do no juice. If me get to my morning I feel like it, me will make the what is the name? Star fruit. Yeah, so star fruit. And then a morning me probably cut up actually I tonight believe it. I'm tired I want to start up. I could have washed the guava them and cut them up and bag them out. But probably me I gonna do that. Me I gonna do that as a video. You understand? If me have the strength tomorrow, if the church now keep tomorrow night, the church now keep tomorrow night, me I gonna do some more bag bag of storage. Yeah. If the church now keep tomorrow night. And probably when they come, me like a rice and peas me I cook, me I go done cook tomorrow before I go to church. When a white rice, me cook it in the when they come from church. But when like for rice and peas, me I go done cook everything tomorrow before I go to church. So me coming, me not have no cooking food. Manazable, I am going to do a live. Have a blessed night. Take care. Now, J Brown. Yeah, do live tonight. What, over YouTube or TikTok? Yeah, man, what I'm gonna do it. Me tune in with me come out there with Kenny Bless. So me a cool down now. You see my face a look cool. Wanna cool me down. I don't know why my life keep going on and spinning up, guys. My life giving me shaggy. My life giving me shaggy tonight. Yeah, giving me shaggy life. I don't know why my life is giving me shaggy. Shaggy. Shake, 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 shake. Shaggy. Shake, shake, KK, come back. I'm never gonna say me gone. They should have texted me, When me gone the first time, they text me, tell me I went in. I never know say me gone. I went in there, me I look for, what me I look for upon Kenny Bless. And see me a spin a go on so. I never realized. Because by my side, me never really see nothing going by my side. The life is giving me shaggy. Shake, 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 shaggy. Shaggy, shaggy, shaggy. My life is giving me shaggy. I don't know, because everybody not on the internet. Everybody there in bed. Everybody sleeping. So I don't know. I say I love your picture there, me see you. Let's put yourself in some queen robe, queen dress. They look nice, they fit you. Yeah, easy though. They fit you though. They fit you. I like them. If I wonder for England with it, or Jamaica. I say, I wish for England today again. England today. Or America. Because she got the queen's dress in her. Why? That's what I have to say. Now queen, Now queen. No, nobody tell me say. No, queen. No, my queen. All around. I see CCN come. Where she come live. I said she live. So it no pop up. It no pop up. You can't say that again, Kay. She's so beautiful. A one sweet piece of girl that. Yeah, man, she look nice. She look very nice. She look very nice tonight. Nice. Yeah, everybody I talk about the silent life them on YouTube. Why? We just reach YouTube. They have even when you go up on them, when you go up on them platform. I say you saw the Andrews good. My stomach start burning, you know. When you go up on them training something, them not discuss them something there. YouTube should have a forum where we can ask some local question. Come here, people are talking about silent life. So YouTube now use silent life again. And then something else. By the grace of God I am saved. I'm not here where she has to. I'm here where she has to. Where should they? That's how close me after they open it up, which I now have my glasses.
Thank you. I appreciate the love. Yeah, so let me introduce myself in a new way. So, I'm a YouTuber. Yeah. And my channel is monetized on the YouTube, which is CCM World TV. The description is here. But I have changed the name. The description.
She did over. Hope Inspire Live, you know, she did that chat, but when me introduce myself.
I pick up different YouTubers what you are doing well and so forth. So yeah, that's what we got out on here. Thank you so hey man, noodles already. Yes, I've got noodles for you. Do you need some? Yeah, so and now here I am on TikTok trying to get over here. But not to no lie, I think content creators are the hardest job. Even though people see YouTube and then to TikTok
Hey,
and
girl.
then like, oh, that's not real work. This is real work. Because the hardest one you can ever do is the work on your mind. Let me tell you
Yeah, I
that.
tell them all, it's rough.
I think when you have to
Content
think about what you
creation,
want
not
to
easy.
post, then you can do that's the
I
hardest.
think never start. But I'm not start here because when I talk, I'm not doing me a talk.
My lady
So,
Corey, how are you? My Uncle Dave, welcome you. That's the hardest thing ever to do.
I just, not go say nothing.
Welcome to my life, guys. I'm giving some life.
Last night,
Yeah. So I'm just here relaxing, guys. So we're going to do a little live and then I'm going to.
you know, the from the suspend the next channel and don't post one more video for them.
Oh, okay, let's see you. So look how far the Andrew gets from this man.
From them demonetize the channel. Not demonetize. Even it actually demonetize. But if suspend the incident, suspend. But they still demonetize, cannot make no money. So I demonetize and demonetize.
Or something like that. So YouTube, what's going on? Everybody good?
Them I say,
Welcome, man.
me not,
Thank you for the love, mama. You're watching me, Sean. What time it is?
I wonder if I need to change the thumbnail for the season right now.
The pastor, you know, pastor.
Hope inspires. You say, why may I tell her?
What's happened? Because it wasn't what? Delroy. Thank you for the support. Look, I really appreciate it. Well, Andrew. Hey girl, hi, Samantha Simon.
I'm using
Say
Obi
hey girl,
phone
like
to
you
watch
know, you
her,
know
but
me
I
all the
won't
time.
comment.
So, guys, like up the live. Some of the
Okay.
amazing persons on my YouTube. Like up the live. Give me some love. What's going on, guys?
Yay, hello.
We're from Jamaica. The
Oh,
channel from
you
Jamaica.
just a watch her.
That's right.
You're
No,
awesome.
Auntie's doing a live. I'm doing a live.
Oh,
What's
I
the
never.
matter? Hi, Barbara.
So,
Welcome
you
in,
know what I
guys.
go live? 12
Welcome.
o'clock?
So, it's Saturday night. It's late Saturday night. Like, it's 12
You
minutes
saw me
past
left my
6.
live
So,
up last
what are
night.
you up doing? Are you, like, watching movies? What are you up doing? I'm here hosting you. After this, I'm surely knocking out y'all. Samantha, where you watching me from?
Me said me did on me did on Miss TT. You did on Miss
Oh,
TT
lovely.
something? You know?
No, I'm just upset with
Me did
myself.
on Miss
You're
TT.
upset with yourself? Why?
Remonetization and 1 year. Happy birthday.
Why are you upset with yourself?
But me hear Goga say something. Me wonder
Hi, top man, how you doing?
if what me hear say. You say KK, saying send a
A
rate
lot of
girl
things.
KK.
Okay.
Me wonder who
Well,
would, if a
listen,
small in the community name
I will
KK.
encourage you.
Arami.
Yes, please introduce yourself,
He send
mama.
rate too. Come and say
Well, listen, if it is that you said
KK.
something
No, I
wrong or
didn't.
made a mistake, listen, I'm still alive.
Oh,
You still
you
can
must
make
say send
different
one
things.
rate
You
for
can make amends
KK.
and you can start all over. All of us have made
So me I
mistakes. There is
wonder,
not one person on the face of this earth that can say,
hey me
oh,
girl, big up.
I'm perfect. And so, wherever you are,
Now if I mean
if it
matter,
is that you need help, professional help, there
saying
are
send rate
counselors
to me. Live
online, I know
stream.
for sure. Yeah. You can
Me,
send somebody to talk to.
live
Must be at
stream. And
church.
he must say,
Must be at church, somebody that speak so that you would have known or
KK. Me I
somebody.
say, I wonder
You
if I
know?
me go got
So,
off when
send
you say
somebody. Where you from
KK.
exactly?
Or them have somebody in the
Okay.
community when they are KK.
Thank you for the love, guys. Welcome in One Flames, One
So I come on for
Original
live,
Diva.
me, it's
Jason
in my
Rose.
head. Me I forgot
Ah.
watch back. Me I forgot
What work
go
you
watch
do?
back
I know
TT
I'm going to the
live.
cemetery, you know. What going
I
on?
see.
Hi, good night. What kind of name do you have?
If I that me here.
Hmm? Jaja, yeah.
I go watch back the live and see.
Yeah, so whatever it
If I
is,
that me
Auntie,
here,
how
you
can I
say,
help?
I send rate to KK.
Nothing last forever.
I wonder if a
I
KK
don't know why
kitchen
TikTok
or
allows
they have
persons to have
somebody,
certain names on their
someone
account.
named
These names are
KRT.
weird. The names when
Oh,
the mother give you when they born. Then when I don't give a name,
okay.
you give yourself a name then.
Cause me I
That's the
wonder,
issue. You give yourself a name then.
I'm wondering if it was me.
NASA. NASA, we know. Like up the life, guys. Like up. She give me. Why
So
would
when
she
I
give me
man
that
will wake
name?
up
It's
in
ridiculous.
me,
Why would she give me that?
my live,
This
I
girl
must
no
get
sense, you
only
know.
for 25
Hmm?
likes. And I say, I'm gonna get so much
Why would she give me
likes.
that name? Cooking with Dawn.
I was on
Love
red live
yourself.
for a while.
Thank you, bro. Miss, you laughing at me.
Oh, Red's live
Who
today.
wouldn't laugh? You're giving me a joke,
Nobody
bro.
did on Red's live. I did on
Right, right. Welcome in, guys.
I
Welcome
did
to the
on
live.
DS
Like up the
live.
live, please. Like
And
up the
then we left go
live.
Spanish Town. Never watch
Watch
all
ya.
of it. Never did on the DS live for the whole time.
Yeah, so how was your day, Shanti?
And
How was
then
your day?
It look like this come earlier than when it normally da come because when me find him in gone, must be 31 minutes already.
Double tap to give me a like. Where are you watching me from? Yeah, try
And
to
it na
talk
pop up for me,
Jamaican.
I
No
go look for
problem.
him to see if
Which
him
country
come.
are you in?
I'm saying like 30 minutes ago.
Oh, thank you for the
And
star.
then me left out for go
Appreciate it.
Spanish town.
Can you double
When me
and
left out,
triple
he
and
said
quadruple
him
that star? I appreciate you.
yes, teacher was live.
Which country
Yeah,
are
me
you
did upon
from?
it, me did upon it, me did upon film.
Naomi.
Me did upon film,
Like up in live, guys. Welcome to
film
like up in
live. Let me turn
live.
down
Like
this
up in
let's see, I
live.
see, I'm gonna watch it.
Hey, yeah, you good.
Yeah man, he come live and I talk about, me never get the first half an hour. And him that talk about so interested something when me I go with something. So I never really watch the live so I can hear him. So him did that talk about, him that talk about him video we get recommend, we get recommend from YouTube, we do demonetize. The video I go and go to free, the 600, this man is the 600 and if I go about it, I get recommendation. It I get recommendation. And I not tell a lie to you know, you know, just when me come live, I don't know if I chew my gone probably a month already, but you watch over them not so strong, you know, but them stronger than where them was. Because if suppose like when I go live for 1 2 hours, they used to give me 5 hours. Now they might give me 10 hours or 12 hours. You understand? They will give me 10 hours and 10 hours there. So that's what we do. A 3 hour live. Sometimes we get 12, 13 hours. For last month it wasn't like that. Yeah, you will go live here 2 hours and you get a little bit. You still get a little bit now, but not as little as it was. So me I say probably I threw me probably I threw me an Excel or you know through the time I come me I get a little bit more than I used to get. And I thank God for that. Encouraging. It's encouraging.
Which country are you from?
But as me I say, me I think about ways where me cannot sleep. You say if you, me tell you something, you say if you can't sleep and money and make feel something alright. I just say more reach, you know, something to my bed and while me asleep, money out there I make. That one I want to do. That I want to do. Have money I make while me asleep. So I want to be a good. I want to do my best in the kitchen. Get in the kitchen. If we go to school now for cooking it dear out here now. It dear. It dear. But you know what I want to do? I want to talking about one business. Yeah. want something. Everything I do online now, I want this something in a. Well, while me asleep, little money and make. Ah, I'm tell you something too. My Anna hurt me. I'm tell you something too. It's because the time is so hot.
Thank you so much. You're a sweetheart.
Oh,
You're a sweetheart.
how the
Were you
time
able
is
to
so
send
hot.
me at least $10 here?
Nobody.
Honestly, that would be
My
really
chance.
appreciated.
Oh, wow.
Ade,
Oh,
hi, good night, Ade. How's your night going?
my chance is not hurt me.
Guys, like I would say to everyone, if you're able to start a YouTube channel,
Yeah, Mama, want
channel over that
people talking about digital marketing. Yeah, but we don't so understand it. We have to learn it.
I just pick up time first. I'm just
You
saying,
say I have some exercise to take out them something out of my face.
thank you, Mama. My birthday was Mama. Yeah. If I can do it, you can do it. When I just
Watch me,
started,
I go over TikTok, I'll get up
I
for
just
money, you know. I get one gift, I go here.
I feel like you wouldn't say,
Is it
oh,
over there now? Positive vibes, it over there, I mean, it over there with that. Feel a good look a while. Probably that's why the time passed me so.
and then I started doing
Yoga
that.
class.
And
No, I'm not go yoga class again.
no, you know,
I
sometimes
stop because I the one vehicle it rough on Saturday and then
I think it's a good way to introduce
people are telling me say
your audience. Pretty
in
mommy.
terms of for them believer, you know, for believers Christian.
Open mind. So what is that?
But I tell you say which one we used to go, them never used to do that still.
Where you
But
watching me from?
me merely sorry.
I
I merely stopped because of
How are
the
you?
vehicle situation.
I'm like,
Yeah,
it's
go
when
ahead.
I first started that
I
thing.
go to TikTok for watch me and her.
Happy birthday.
Watch me and
Okay.
her.
How are you, my dear? I'm in McDonald's.
See, Sarah, she
You
life.
don't know my name?
Watch up, watch up. She nice. Oh, when she a call me up in a box, when she a send request to me in a box for.
Oh, say my name and I've been using the card that I
Me no want go up in a box, me a decline.
I don't
She
even
want
know
to
if you
send me up
say
in a
thank
box.
you. Oh,
I give
okay.
her some likes.
Oh, I
You have
see.
2,000
I
likes, let me
see.
go and get some
When I
likes.
finish off one
Let me
thing,
see
I
what she
will
put
go
up for
back.
her gift.
So I can refresh my mind.
Flash goal.
So how are
Send a
you
gift to
doing?
help the creator achieve her goal. Me not even put up goal when
This
me go over there.
topic
Me not
like a
remember how to do
network
that.
because
I remember,
oh,
I
I'm
request
sorry, my
a
dear.
membership or me,
Oh, I'm not following the TikTok already.
me.
Interesting. Huh.
34, me at 34 in a Oak community, you know.
TikTok interested in them? Like YouTube is completely different. if you, it's hard, even harder than somebody can go on TikTok and separate like that.
League
Oh,
5D, a 5D,
oh,
she know,
okay. I'm gonna
5D
check this one.
league. She just start, I must see this, I'm there
So
too.
his name, oh, awesome.
I'm gonna go
And
live with you.
international
But me
now.
a focus on getting my channel monetized, but I don't know, if I'm left off of TikTok, because I don't have no, I don't have
Save the
no
Thank
vibes.
you for the
So go back over there. I don't know why. You're
Thank you
mute.
for the love.
You're
Like
mute?
one,
I can't hear you.
I'm not sure who you
No, she not mute.
are.
They have community over there too. Yeah, but me not in a community.
Good night. Hi,
Me have
Samaya.
me want to see
Welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys,
positive
yeah,
vibes.
I'm streaming on YouTube
Me
and
I
I'm
see
streaming
positive vibes. I see. What's your
on
name?
Twitch.
A 42 members.
As
She
long
have
as everyone come on Twitch,
42
Twitch is stars.
people there at me. What I call it? That in a fair
Guys, let's
community
go.
then.
Let's get into the people.
42. I don't know who.
Chick fingers.
Maybe I want to give my
Oh,
money. I don't know
also
100.
like chicken.
182 gift 82 diamond may have.
Alright.
They have community over there too. May I give her one rose? Take a rose, girl. You know, see me give a rose, girl. You know that about it. She knows see me give her. She knows she look different on TikTok than when she look for me on her laptop. Than when she did for YouTube. She mute. Look at what ball off your head, you know. Look at what ball off her head. What ball off her head. Her ear. You know we Jamaican now we chat. What ball off her head. Say that some rose. So now ear to us. Native ear. She mute. Yes, guys, we have got up nicely. 1 hour 43 minutes. The 2 hour, the longest 2 hour, I still for come. But now come off until the 2 hour coming on.
She looks to me like a little troll. Like she's a child. She could be a child or I am. I don't know.
Now go for some coconut water. Now come. You want some, you know? You want coconut water? Everything you not drink. You drink coconut water?
Marcel, King Amber. Hi Marcel, how are you? Thank you so much, mothers. I appreciate you. Smart one. Oh, so everybody else is unsmart. These names are ridiculous. Empress Mia, hi, how are you? Welcome to my live. Yes, guys, I'm just relaxing with you. Tomorrow it will be another busy day. Busy day. I should be sleeping, you know. I should be sleeping. Yeah, I will do that. Around 40, 45 minutes.
Yes, I do, but from the jelly, not the bottle or box one. I want a one bottle of water. Let me show you. See there? Every 2 weeks, I buy one bottle of jelly water. See there? I put them in a bottle and freeze them. $3,000. 3,000 I pay fee every 2 weeks. I used to do it every week, and then every 2 weeks. Every week I used to buy it, and I'm gone to 2 weeks now. Yeah, my laptop one charger now. Cut off. Yeah, from jelly, I want jelly woman. She chop jelly them and throw them in our bucket. Every 2 weeks. So what I do now, I full out like the 1.5 litre, two of the 1.5 litre bottle, and I carry them go work. One for this week, and then Monday of next week, I put the next one for tar out. So it's 7 for 2 weeks. But when me I hear who pass upon YouTube and that chat upon TikTok, I don't know, if one of them slow. Are you baking? When? No? Not no. That is something that I want to do too. So I have a little idea about baking, you know. But you see the fact that I kind of master the Christmas cake, you know, and them cake that them use mostly for wedding cake. If me not have the time for perfect icing. For perfect my icing is what I make wedding cake. Can make cake nice. Can make wedding cake. Sing hotel over here. Water's so nice. Why you ask if me a bake, you know? When? Bake now? Passing upon thy right hand. Yes, no. No, sir. He shall preserve my soul One more night on the app, yeah. You know, me appreciate you still there with me. I know Jay Brown gonna sleep, but he would have we around same way. You know, somebody of your life this morning, nobody. I just did a text and a chat with you, see you. No, you say you're not answering, but we still a chat. I text and a chat. Till me see few local people are come. Oh, I delay, because you share sing on YouTube, you know. And she don't sing on the TikTok already. So my eyes them now want to sleep, you know. And so me stop the fan for me. So me stop the fan for me. Well, I breeze a come up for me, but me I do me 2 hours now. When you're going to the river, not today I'm supposed to go to the river, you know. Not today I'm supposed to go to the river, you know. And my husband, boss, give me work to do. So Kevin I say, true, you know, I say work. I say when you're there, you know, do no work, you know. Feel type of work, unpredictable. So he said, you know, the boss give me the work. So I have to understand, you understand? But the people, them sister, them go enjoy themselves. But that's me and him never go. That's me and him alone never go. But they say it's nice. The water is nice. But me going up which part Kevin come from? One river up there. When time everything cause next week now, him not go can go next week because them booking for one cruise here. I'm going to preach one cruise here next week. Next week Friday and Saturday. So I'm going to go with him Friday. I know I pay bills, so I can't leave work early. So I'm going to go with him Saturday. All the way at Clarendon. And I go Friday, then I go Saturday. All the way at Denby, Clarendon. And I have one church down there. I have cruise here and I book him for 2 nights. Then book him for 2 nights. And then one next church book him for 2 more nights. But that's in June. I think before his birthday. My birthday is the 13th of June. And then book him for two other days there. The church they always, whenever I book him, then book him in during the week. And then, you know, so once during the week, we can't go. Once during the week, I can't go. But you understand that. You understand? He said, middle of the vehicle, then you put a ready at work or Maxfield and then go anywhere in there. But him have the vehicle. So if you take bus, if you you not reach, because the whole of Jamaica, they on the road at daytime, and at a morning time and at evening time. So once in a week, I can go. But if Sunday and week or Saturday, which me never know say people keep crusade for Saturday. Me never know that. But they must say this Saturday are Labor Day. We have a holiday next week. Oh God. Rice cooker. I don't know to use it yet. I think I broke it up. Hope I keep church hotel over TikTok, yeah. Turn I done before. YouTube, I pick up nothing outside. Memorial Day. Like holiday, I forgot check to see if Bath and Body Works have no sale. I have no promotion because we never have promotion. And so I catch them, I catch them. So I can sell this something for a reasonable price. Because something conversion rate make something here. A Memorial Day phone when? Saturday or Monday? So it a fall upon a Saturday, I think. Labor Day a fall upon a Saturday and celebrate upon a Monday. So we have a weekend again. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Make it another 4 days. I get another 4 days. Jesus, the 4 days them nice. Especially if you not go work Monday. The 4 days them nice. Yeah, thank God. Say, me again. So me I get another 4 days. So me can use 4 of the days then and do some content. Or probably like on Monday is holiday, but we can't go river Monday. But we can't go river Monday. You see, you send something to me in a but never go panic. I'm going to file live, I'm going to panic. At 2 hours now, I keep about 3 or 4 minutes before me shut off the system. I'm going to go by your channel and see this dinner. Now you see? Nice. We say come look on it. Me I say Kenisha every day I look on it and sit there and me I say girl you're unblessed, you know, you just sit down and not use your hand do nothing. say the person when me sell it, the person when me sell it, and the same person when me did do the other one. Listen the other one to you? Never said the next one. And the one the other one you see me. Oh, the one here.
Guys, do you know this? It's a thing that is a portion. My faith has found a blessing. This is a powerful, you know, sometimes I know that literally with that person.
I never send the one there to you. The one there. When me tell the person the price, I feel her price me I give her. Me I give her fair price. Give her one of them. Give her one of them. If you win in the one price and the next one for one next price. And she has said, I love them, Miss Ken, I love them. She has said, no, Miss Ken. She has said, you know what you did now when you look up when you look out for Instagram and see them and something, you know what you did? And she gave me $3,000 extra. $3,000 extra. Me say, you know, everybody here has said, bless and you know, so me I got change back. Me get the, me don't know, I think I want me dream, me get the name there now, and me have the name, and I call myself Bless and you know, and me just change it, but me I put it back, Bless and because everybody. Anytime I show them anything, that's the first thing they say, bless God. And I say, you know, so me have to change that my name for the one that I have now and put it in the name when I dream. So all of me, some of them I do, I have to just find a way around bless and to make a name, including the bless and I will brainstorm it and then we are going to do them there. Floral arrangement, wreath making, gift basket, every little thing where you want. You can just bring in there. I start with back wreath. Because I can't make wreath, you know. I can't make we can make what you call it? Fresh flowers wreath and artificial wreath, but me nah make no the fresh flowers not easy to deal with. It's not easy to deal with, so me nah go for that. Me have to leave that out. Now follow that at all. But at 8 minutes. Because I'm gonna read it. I mean make it, you know. These are fresh flowers. Fresh flowers. But we now make it again. It take time and they're very delicate. And then the two Jamaica art as you have them so 2 minutes then start quail up. Let's see how spray them. So I say I'm not going to take on that challenge then. I'm going to just do the artificial ones straight. But guys, we finally made it to the 2 hours. It is now 2 hours and 6 minutes. I thank you so much for for sticking and staying. Thank you for visiting my channel. Thank you guys. Inner beauty, thanks to the blessing. Okay, they need to make it in the winter. Yeah. But we can't go bother with that. We can't go bother with the life flowers. Too winning. Thank you, Mama, for sticking and staying with me. J Brown. Thank you. Our Woods. CCN. Charles. Pat. Blessing to everybody. Winston Chronicles. Yeah, man. Blessings to everyone that passed through the life tonight. Blessings, blessings, blessings. Yeah, our thanks for continuous support. Thank you guys. So I'll see you again in another one. Hopefully it is tomorrow. But if it's not, I'll see you in the another video. Okay, they need to make it in a, oh. So sorry, big up yourself. Big up yourself. But nothing to me I'm gonna make the video. I think I'm gonna make the live run. I'm gonna just end the live. So big up, big up, big up, big up, because in the place I got too light up. So big up yourself. I'll see you in another video, guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.